Are you looking for some amazing and useful content at this year's NGH conference? Are you looking to take yourself and your practice to the next level this year? Hi, I'm Kevin, and I'd like to tell you about some amazing workshops that I am delivering. I've been working hard on something new and exciting this year. It's called Working with Timelines and being presented on Friday morning from 11 a.m. to 12 noon. Backed by popular demand, our rapid NLP techniques for change. In this 3-hour program, we not only demo, but show you exactly how to do these simple rapid change techniques. You can use these techniques as massively impressive demos as well as incredible change work with your clients. In case you haven't figured out by now, my last workshop is Working with Allergies on Sunday from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. For more information, go to ngh.net. I am looking forward to seeing you there. Yes!